Hey! In front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this VIVO. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, select Allow in the pop-ups. So allow while using the app, allow and allow again. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. In order to apply your launcher, go into Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. Now scroll down again, choose Default Apps and tap on Home app. Finally, just click on iOS Launcher, select Got it, and as you can see after that, mine was successfully added. If you wish to change it to your default one or switch between your launchers, go into the same settings and click on System Home Screen or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!